In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to custom fields in ClickUp and organize them for easier use. To get started, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner and click on your workspace avatar. From that menu, choose Custom Fields, or in some accounts you may see Custom Field Manager. This is the area where you can view, create, and manage all of your custom fields in one place. Inside the Custom Field Manager, select All Custom Fields. This lets you browse every custom field available across your workspace. If you want to narrow things down, you can also choose a specific space, folder, or list. That can be especially helpful if you manage a lot of fields and want to keep things focused by team or project area. Now let's create a new custom field. Click Create New, then select the custom field type you want to use. For this example, choose Dropdown, since it works really well for labeled options. After that, enter a clear name for your custom field so it's easy to recognize later. When you begin creating the field options, add an emoji at the beginning of each option name. This is a simple way to make statuses and categories easier to scan visually. For example, you might use green for active, yellow for pending, red for urgent, and blue for review. ClickUp supports emojis in custom field labels and in certain custom field types, so this can be a practical way to improve clarity without changing your workflow. Once your emoji-based options are in place, click Create or Save. Your new custom field will then be available in the location you selected. You can repeat the same process for any other custom fields you use regularly. For example, in a priority field, you could label options with colored emojis for urgent, high, normal, and low. For a project stage field, you might use emojis for planning, in progress, review, and complete. This makes your fields feel more organized and easier to read at a glance. To keep everything tidy, go back to the Custom Field Manager and use the Group option to organize your custom fields by type or by location. If you want even more control, open the Custom Field Manager, enable manual sorting from the Custom Fields Click app, and then use the Reorder option to drag your fields into the order you prefer. Finally, open one of your ClickUp tasks and look at the Custom Fields section. You should now see your organized fields, along with the emoji labeled options, ready to use in your workflow. Thanks for watching.